Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of TCA Training and Development, where we help you with top IT news and top techs. So our today's session is cybersecurity after cloud computing followed by artificial intelligence you would have seen on our YouTube channel. Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and digital information from unauthorized attacks. With the rise of the internet and digital technology, cybersecurity has become an increasingly important concern for the individuals, businesses, and government organizations. Effectively, cybersecurity measures typically involves a combination of technologies, processes, and policies aimed at safeguard sensitivity data and preventing cyber attacks. Some common cybersecurity measures include a use of firewall and antivirus software, encryption, access control, and regular system updates. Cybersecurity threats can take many forms, including viruses, malware, phishing attacks, denial of services, DOS attacks, and ransomware. Cyber criminals may also attempt to steal personal or financial information, launch attacks on criminal infrastructure, or engage in espionage or other forms of cyber warfare. To stay safe in the digital age, it is essential to adopt a good cybersecurity practice, such as using strong password, being wary of suspicious emails or links, keeping software up to date, and regularly backing up important data. Businesses and organizations should also prioritize cybersecurity training and invest in robust security measures to protect their networks and systems from cyber threats. Cybersecurity is a rapidly growing field with a high demand of skilled professionals to protect against cyber attacks and ensure the security of computer systems and networks. Some common job roles in cybersecurity include cyber analyst. Cyber analyst is responsible for monitoring computer systems and networks for potential security threats and implementing measures to protect against them. Ethical hacker, also known as a penetration tester. An ethical hacker is responsible for testing computer systems and networks for vulnerabilities and providing recommendations for improving their security. Security consultant provides advices and guidance to organizations to how to improve their overall cyber posture. Fourth one is cybersecurity engineer. A cybersecurity engineer designs and implements security systems and controls to protect computer, network, and systems from cyber threats. Fifth one is incident responder. An incident responder is responsible for identifying and responding to security incidents such as cyber attacks or data breaches. Sixth one is security architect. A security architect is responsible for designing and implementing security systems and controls for large scale computer networks and systems. Seventh one is compliance analyst. A compliance analyst ensures that an organization's cybersecurity practices comply with relevant laws and regulations and industry standards. These are just a few examples of the many job roles available in the cybersecurity field. As cyber threats continue to grow and evolve, the demand of skilled cybersecurity professionals is likely to remain high. So TCA Training and Development invites you for the Saturday-Sunday session of cybersecurity and job roles of cybersecurity. So you are always welcome to TCA Training and Development for attending free sessions like cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing. Thanks for connecting with TCA Training and Development. Stay tuned.